In today's video, the rarest Fiat Punto, but not because of this. I must work him with seats inside. I'm not able to disconnect airbags because of this, so stay with me, enjoy the video. And on the another half, the driver's side, I'm able to disconnect that, and that looks like this. I'm able to take this seat out, but another I'm not able, and I'm not going to do that. It's a harder way, but I have solution. I made it on a 3D printer. So enjoy. I want just take a moment and show you that this Fiat is with automatic transmission. It's very rare here. I'm not sure about United States or another countries, but did you see this? I'm not sure. This is my first time to see automatic transmission in Fiat Punto. Tell me in the comments below. Enjoy the rest of the video.